Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to update your TikTok app on your mobile device. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, just go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS on iPhone, then you have to go over to your App Store. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial. So let me tap on my Play Store real quick. So once your Play Store opens up, the next step you have to take now is to search for TikTok. I can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then you have to tap on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do is to type in TikTok. So let me type in TikTok. TikTok. Then what you have to do next is to tap on search. Let me tap on it. Right there guys is the TikTok app. So what I have to do now is to tap on it to open up the web page. So let me tap on the TikTok app, the logo. So guys, now you can see it more clearly. You can see the logo, you can see the name TikTok. Right here guys, can see that the TikTok app has been outdated. That's why you can see that button right there written update. So what you have to do now is to tap on updates to update the TikTok app. So let me tap on it right away. Right there guys, can see the TikTok app have started downloading. It is at 2%, so let's wait till it gets to 100%. Then after that, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's wait a few seconds. Right there guys, can see it has gotten to 98%, so it's going to get to 100 in few seconds. 99, let's just wait. Right there guys, can see it has gotten to 100% and it's now installing, so let's wait a few seconds. So guys, now you can see the TikTok app is done installing. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to open it up. So let me tap on open right away. Wow guys, can see here's my TikTok account. I've been able now to update my TikTok app. So guys, nowadays I can be able to update your TikTok app, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye. Peace.